Did you say poke?
He's a model.
He's posing.
He's like, oh, you're taking pictures? Okay.
So it's cool. This includes stuff?
Yeah.
Like his toys?
Yeah, his blocks and stuff.
Oh, cool. So it can hold these?
Yeah.
For pieces. You go.
That's cool.
Chimigi. Chimigi.
When's he supposed to learn his first words?
I think by like 10 months he should be able to say mama, mama, or da, da, da.
Those are usually baby's first words.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
I mean, what's he gonna say? Like helicopter? Relax. What is that? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
This is a fun toy.
I love these songs. Can you scoot it close to him?
Yeah, just sending you some right now, Shay.
Okay. Do you want to do any of this? Oh my god, the blanket Bluebee's more interesting.
You got
And
this
the top
cool
goes the
toy here.
weasel.
It has a
I wonder what he would
keyboard.
think about this, Shay. Look at these. These are like the coolest little snuggle blankets.
He might shove his face into that little
Okay, you can try it.
arrows.
He's like, what is that thing?
Yeah!
They're cool little like security blankets for little kids.
Yeah. What is it? What is it, Kairos? What's it do? Watch this.
Yeah. Oh.
You want to sit up? Here, let's move. You want it? I'll have to get him one. He seems to like them.
He likes puppets too.
I can get him one for his birthday when it comes around. That'd be cute. They have like monkey ones and stuff too.
Uh-huh.
They have like all sorts of ones, like bears and monkeys.
Do you want to play with Horsey? Toot toot. Kairos. Toot toot. Look into my eyes.
Oh.
Oh, you want it?
Look into my eyes.
What about this one?